Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 7C and let me show you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera. And now let me show you the evidence that we will actually reset camera settings. Let's swipe to the left and let me turn on the camera grid lines. Let's get back. As you can see here, we've got the helper lines applied. And now in order to reset camera settings, we have to swipe to the left, just like before, and swipe down. Here we've got the restore defaults option, so let's tap on it. If you are ready, click on OK. And as you can see, the camera grid lines simply disappear, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings to their defaults. So that's all. This is how to reset camera in your Honor 7C. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.